And for every click which you do get on this platform, you make up to $10 to $20 right here for every click which you do get. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what this software is all about and how you can make money with CPA marketing. And the cool thing about this is that this strategy actually do work worldwide. So anywhere you are in the world, this strategy is going to work for you right there. You don't actually need to have any skills right here. You just need to be a beginner and this strategy is going to work for you. You don't need any skill right here. All you actually do need is an access to the internet connection and also your mobile devices right here, and you could just want to go on to applying this strategy. So guys, without more delay of time, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So the first things first, you want to go onto a CPA marketing platform such as CPAGRIP, and if you don't have an account, simply go to clicking on register right here. If you do click on register, you'll be brought to this page where you just simply have to fill out this form. Go to creating an account for absolutely free. You want to just simply fill out this form appropriately. Make sure you do come right here to this publisher type and actually select either the website /incense or the GPT, because these are actually what is going to help you go on to getting approved instantly for your account right here. Make sure you do fill out the section that are actually having this red asterisk sign, because they actually indicate the required field which you must go on to fill in before your account can be created. Agree to the terms of services, of which you can actually read via this section, and just simply click on register. Your account will be created immediately. So once you do log into your account right here, just simply click on offer tools and also go on to clicking on my offers. If you do that guys, you should be brought to a page such as this. So once you are brought to this particular page right here, as you can see, these are all offers available to the United States demographic right here. You could actually go on to filtering these offers to highest paying offers, and you can actually do see that the highest paying offers that are actually paying about $2.82, $2.90. So you just need, for this offer that are actually paying you about $2 right here, you just need about 10 people to go on to completing these offers, and you do get paid up to $10 right here. So guys, I'm actually going to show you a strategy which you can actually use to earn $10 in just one click. So basically what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply go to changing this country right here. There's a country such as France right here, and if you do change the demographic to France, you then want to just simply go to filtering your offer to show the highest paying offers by clicking on payout. And if you do click on that right there, as you can see, it actually shows the highest paying offers, and this offer actually pays about $23 right here. You can see this offer pays $21. This one right here pays $18 right here, before you can see this one that actually do pays $10 right here. So guys, but you could take note of these ones that actually do pay about $23 right now, because they actually do pay higher right here, because it's actually a credit card submit offer, and these are actually very more difficult to go on to getting conversions to. That is why the price for such offers are actually quite high right there. So guys, instead of going that or doing that right there, you want to just simply go for a more easier offer such as the pin submit offers right here, where your lead actually have to submit their pin or their mobile numbers, and actually you do get paid some cool cash doing that right there, or directing people to do that, to submit their mobile numbers while going through a survey right there. And you can see right here, you do get paid $10 for just one click or just one submission right now. So if I do click on this offer more, you'll be able to see more details about this offer. So guys, because I don't actually go on to speaking French right here, I don't actually understand more of this offer, I'm just going to come right here, highlighting this text right here, copy it, and I'm just going to go on to the Google Translator right here. So if I do go on to Google Translator, I'm just going to change this language right here from French. If I do change it from French to English right here, as you can see, it actually talks about you getting your DC 500 euros gift card. And guys, this is quite understandable right now, which I do know or get more idea about this particular offer right now. You can see it's a desktop offer, also a pin submit offer. The payout to this offer is $10.27, and you can then see a unique affiliate link right here to this offer. So guys, basically guys, I'm just going to show you how you can get traffic to this offer right now, even though you're not from the France demographic. So what you want to do right now is to head back to your Google Translator right here, and you just want to change this right here from English, translate from English to French. And if I do change that to translate from English to French, just want to put in something like this which says how to save money, and you can actually see the translation right here for how to save money. So what you want to do right now is that you just want to go on to add in a simple text such as maybe Pinterest right here. And if I do search for how to make money on Pinterest, I'm just, as you can actually see, the translation right here. I'm just going to go on to copying this translation right here. If I do copy that, I'm just going to go on to a new tab. I'm just going to leave this on how to save money right here. And if I do copy that, I'm just going to go on to a new tab. And on this new tab, I'm just going to paste in that right here. And I'm just going to put in something like Pinterest. And if I do go on to clicking on enter right now, it's actually going to show me a lot of Pinterest posts right here, which I can take advantage of. If I do go on to clicking on this right now, guys, which is the first one right here, as you can actually see right now, is something about this particular language right now, but you can actually just see that in the translated Google translation for me right now. So this is actually going to tell you that this post is actually related to how to save money. And guys, there's something quite interesting that you need to understand right now, guys. Now all these people are actually interested in how to make money, and you can see it actually has about 155 followers. Maybe supposing if I do go on to clicking on this particular post right here, I could actually do go on to checking out the person that posted this, and you'll find out that this person is actually promoting a link right here in the bio of his account. So guys, we're actually going to go on to imitating this exact same strategy. And how do you want to do that right now is that you just want to go on to CPAGRIP right here, copy the link to that particular offer, and actually do head on to a link shortener website such as tinyurl. I'm just going to paste in that link right here. I'm also going to come right here and click on shorten URL. So once I do click on shorten URL, guys, I can actually do go on to customizing this URL to my preference. And in customizing that right here, I'm just going to put in something like an alias right here, maybe something related to this right now. I'm just going to copy this section right here and actually do go on to my tiny URL, pasting that right here before clicking on shorten URL. Or you could just simply use that as it is right here, and if you do that, you could see the new URL which you could just simply make use of. You could just simply copy the URL right now and actually do go onto your Pinterest account. Once you're on your Pinterest account, just simply go on to clicking on your profile right here. You don't actually need to have a good profile, just simply click on profile and actually do go on to clicking on edit profile. So once you do that right here, guys, you just want to come right here to this section which says websites, paste in that particular link right there, and you want to just simply go onto this about section right now. And in this about section, you just want to type in something about that particular CPA marketing offer. So I could just simply type in something like get a DC 500 euro gift card, and you can see the translation right here. I could just simply add in something else like maybe via this link. So once I do this, guys, I'm just going to come right here, copy this particular text. And if I do copy this text right here, I'm going to head back to my Pinterest account and actually do paste that right here so that it will actually be understandable to my French audience right there. So right now I'm just going to go on to clicking on save, and once I do click on save, that has actually been saved right now. So you can actually do see that particular text right here, which is the tiny URL link first before actually do getting this particular call to action to that particular link right here, as you can see right now. So guys, how do you actually get traffic to this particular link right here is to actually head on to Pinterest, and maybe if I do go back and I do just simply go on to selecting a random post right here, maybe if I do select this post right now, and you just want to go simply go on to checking out the people that do like this post. You can see right here this post or this person actually do have about 10,400 followers. If I do click on this person's name right here, I can actually do go on to checking out who these followers of this person actually are. If I do click on the followers, you can actually see lots and lots of these followers right now. So if you do go on to following numerous people right here from this person's followers, a lot of them will be interested in why you actually follow them, and they're just simply going to go on to check in your bio of your Instagram account or your profile right there, and they will be able to see this link right now. So this link is actually going to be able to drive them to your CPA marketing offer, which if they do complete, for each and every click you do get paid $10.24. So this is an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of right now. You just want to go on to and following as much as you can right here. But guys, instead of going through the stress of following them right here manually, you can actually take advantage of this platform right here, which is called the Sumibo.com. So do go on to registering for this platform and actually do go on to downloading this particular platform or application on your device. And if you do that, guys, this platform is actually going to help you go on to automating followers right here by following individuals on platforms like social media platforms like the Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, and a lot more other platforms right here. This particular platform called the Sumibo.com is going to help you automate that. And guys, you're not actually going to go on through the stress of following those individuals yourself. This platform is actually going to do all that for you. So why not just simply grab hold of this strategy right now and start making money with CPA marketing? And I did hope this video helped you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.